A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the centrally sponsored schemes part 1, and then in which we are going to see the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana and then Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. And come on, let's get into the video. Yes, the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana is launched in the year 2015 in the month of July with the motto of Har Kheet Ko Pani, and then the main aim of this is to expand the cultivated area with assured irrigation and then to reduce the water loss and also to improve the water use efficiency, and it creates protective irrigation by harnessing the rainwater at micro level through Jal Sanchai and Jal Sinchan, and it is formed by amalgamation of the schemes from 3 departments previously, and they are Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program from Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, and then Integrated Watershed Management Program from Ministry of Rural Development in the Department of Land Resources, On-Farm Water Management from the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, in which it comes under National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture. Coming to the components of PMKSY, there are 4 components, namely Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, Har Kheet Ko Pani, Per Drop More Crop, and then Watershed Development. And then the state level planning and execution is done by District Irrigation Plans DIP and then the State Irrigation Plans SIP. And the expenditure is shared between the central government and the state government in the ratio of 75:25, and for northeastern and hilly regions it is 90:10 between the central government and the state government. And it's all about the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. We can have a short revision. The scheme is launched in July 2015 with the motto of Har Kheet Ko Pani, and then it creates protective irrigation by harnessing the rainwater at micro level through Jal Sanchai and Jal Sinchan, and then it is formed by amalgamation of 3 schemes, namely Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program and Integrated Watershed Management Program and then On-Farm Water Management Program. And there are 4 components in this. It includes Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, Har Kheet Ko Pani, and Per Drop and More Crop, and finally it is Watershed Development. And then they are executed by District Irrigation Plans and State Irrigation Plans. And it's all about the scheme. Next we are going to see the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. It was introduced with an aim to provide support to the agriculture and allied sector in achieving 4% annual agriculture growth in the year 2007. But later it is rebranded as Remunerative Approaches for Agriculture and Allied Sector Rejuvenation, that is RAFTAR, to be implemented for 3 years till 2019-20 from 2017. Yes, the Cabinet has approved in November 2017 for the continuation of the centrally sponsored scheme RKVY, that is the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, as Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana Remunerative Approaches for Agriculture and Allied Rejuvenation, that is RKVY RAFTAR, for 3 years between 2017 to 2019-20. There are 3 components in this scheme. First, it is Agripreneurship Orientation. It is a 2 months duration program with a monthly stipend of Rs 10,000 per month, Mentorship is provided on financial, technical, IP issues, etc. Second, it is the seed stage funding of RABI incubates, which means Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana Agribusiness Incubator, and in this funding up to rupees 25 lakhs, that is 80% as grant and 15% contribution from the incubatee. And the third, it is idea or pre-seed stage funding of agripreneurs. In this, funding up to rupees 5 lakh, 90% as grant and 10% contribution from the incubatee. And these are all the three components of this RKVY. Coming to the funding allocation factor, this RKVY RAFTAR will continue to be implemented as a centrally sponsored scheme in the ratio of 60:40. Previously, we have seen it is 75:25. It is 60:40 between the Government of India and the state government, except in the northeastern and hilly regions where the funding would be 90:10. 90 by the Government of India and 10 by the state government. For the union territories, the 100% funding is provided by the central government itself. And it's all about the RKVY scheme. We can have a short revision. The scheme was launched in the year 2007. Later in 2017, it is rebranded as Remunerative Approaches for Agriculture and Allied Sector Rejuvenation, that is RKVY RAFTAR, until 2019-20. There are three components, namely agripreneurship orientation, seed stage funding of RABI incubatees, and then pre-seed stage funding of agripreneurs. Coming to the funding is divided between state and the central government in the ratio of 60:40, and then for northeastern and hilly states it is 90:10, and then for the union territories it is 100% taken over by the central government. And it's all about the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. And I hope the video will be very much useful to you. And the part 2 will be uploaded as soon as possible. And thank you for all your supports. And do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. See you all again.